Today, we're looking at what could be the pickup truck Honda fans have been waiting for, the 2027 Honda Ridgeline.
If the next Ridgeline looked anything like this, I think a lot of people would suddenly start paying attention. Because just look at it. This concept takes the Ridgeline in a completely different direction. It's bold, muscular, and aggressive while still looking like something Honda could realistically build. When I started imagining what a next-generation Ridgeline could become, I wanted it to feel like a truck that people would actually get excited about instead of just appreciating for its practicality. The front end is where everything starts. Instead of the familiar Honda styling, this concept features a much wider grille, slimmer LED headlights, squared-off body lines, and a rugged front bumper that immediately gives it a tougher personality. It looks confident, it looks modern, and most importantly, it finally looks like a truck people would stop and admire in a parking lot. Move around to the side and things get even better. The long, clean body lines, squared wheel arches, black cladding, roof rails, and chunky wheels give it a much stronger stance than today's Ridgeline. It still looks refined enough for the city, but it also looks ready for a weekend camping trip without feeling out of place. That's a balance the Ridgeline has always done well. Around back, the design stays clean and simple. The oversized Ridgeline lettering stamped into the tailgate makes a statement, while the vertical LED taillights and integrated rear bumper give the truck a much more premium appearance. It feels modern without trying too hard, and that's exactly what makes the design work. Now here's why a Ridgeline like this could become so important. The midsize truck market has become incredibly competitive. Even the Hyundai Santa Cruz is attracting buyers looking for something different. So where would the Ridgeline fit? Right in the middle.
For people who don't necessarily want the toughest truck on earth, but also don't want to give up comfort, practicality, and everyday usability.
That's always been the Ridgeline's biggest strength. It's the truck for people who actually use their truck every day, not just on weekends. Think about it. Most pickup owners spend far more time commuting, grocery shopping, taking road trips, or driving their families around than they do crawling over rocks. That's exactly where a truck like this makes sense. It looks rugged enough to satisfy truck buyers, but still feels like something you'd enjoy driving every single day. That's a combination a lot of trucks struggle to achieve. Looking at this design, it feels like the Ridgeline has finally found the personality many people have been asking for. Something tougher, something more aggressive, something that actually stands out. The bright orange paint grabs your attention immediately. The black accents create plenty of contrast. The squared proportions give it a much stronger presence on the road. Even the stance feels wider and more planted than the current Ridgeline. It's the kind of truck that makes you stop scrolling.
And that's not something people usually say about a Ridgeline.
Another thing I like is that the design doesn't go overboard. Some truck concepts add giant grills, oversized fender flares, and so many aggressive details that they almost look unrealistic. This feels different. It still feels believable. It still looks like something that could eventually make its way onto the road. If Honda ever decided to push the Ridgeline in this direction, I think a lot of buyers who normally shop for a Tacoma, Frontier, Ranger, or Colorado would suddenly have another truck worth considering. Not because it's trying to outmuscle them, but because it offers something different. Modern styling, practicality, everyday usability, and a design that finally gives the Ridgeline the attitude many people felt it was missing.
This concept is simply my vision of what the next Ridgeline could become.
And if it ended up looking anything close to this, I think it would completely change how people see Honda's pickup. Instead of being the truck that's easy to overlook, it could become the truck everyone wants to check out first. Because great trucks aren't just about looking tough, they're about fitting into real life. And if a future Ridgeline captures this kind of design, Honda could have one of the biggest surprises in the midsize truck market. The 2027 Honda Ridgeline wouldn't just be another redesign. It could be the pickup truck that finally makes everyone pay attention. What do you think? Would you choose this over a Toyota Tacoma, Ford Ranger, or Chevrolet Colorado? Let me know in the comments below.